Hey guys, what's up? In this video I shared the top 3 crypto airdrop you can farm in 2025 with $0 investment. Yeah guys, this airdrop are completely free and only require simple tasks like using a wallet, testnet and social management. So if you are new to crypto or want to earn from token with no risk, this video for you. So we will cover how each project works, how to join step by step, instruction and important safely tip. So watch until the end to overcome mistakes can make you ineligible. So don't forget to like, subscribe and then comment below, and let's get started. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's CryptoBerg here. Today's video is for everyone who want to earn free crypto without spending a single dollar. Yeah, you heard that right. Zero investment. I'm going to share with you the top 3 crypto airdrop you can farm right now in 2025 using only your wallet and a title bite of time. This is a real opportunity that many early users are already preparing for. Make sure you watch until the end, because one small mistake can make you lose your eligibility. So let's quickly explain what an airdrop is for beginners. A crypto airdrop is when a project gives free tokens to earn use as a reward from testing their platform, using their network, or supporting them in social media. Many people made testnets of dollar from past airdrop like Berachain, Optimist and Aptos, all from simple free action. So now let's jump into the first airdrop. The first project is a Layer2 scaling network built to make crypto transaction faster and cheaper. So this project is still in testnet phase, so which means they are collecting users before launching their main token. So to join this airdrop, all you need is a MetaMask wallet.
So guys, listen good. All you need an email and a wallet and a title activity every few days. Many similar AI projects in the past were only tested with very good airdrop, so this one is definitely worth trying. So last one. This third airdrop is from a cross-chain braided project that connects multiple blockchain together. The skins of project also reward only braid user. To farm this airdrop, you just braid in small testnet token between chain, make a few swans and interest with smart contracts. Again, everything is on testnet, no real money involved. This more you interested natural. Now let me give you some important safety tips. So first, always use a Spiral wallet from airdrop. Never expose your main wallet. Second, never connect your wallet to random links from Telegram comments. Always use official social page. Third, don't try to cheat the system with multiple fake wallets. So many airdrop projects detect that and disqualify user. So guys, airdrop farming is not about getting rich fast. It's about being early, consistent and patient. Some airdrop pay small amounts, some pay life-changing money. The key is to keep doing it with zero risk. So if you want, I can also make a step-by-step tutorial video from each of this airdrop. Just comment airdrop. If you want, I can also make a step-by-step tutorial video for each of this airdrop. Just comment airdrop below and I know this video help you smash the like. So guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video, and don't forget like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.